Did you yell, get upset too easily, or feel bad for how you reacted to your child's behavior? It happens to the best of us, and we can go back and correct our mistakes. Here's what to do the next time you make a parenting misstep. After you have calmed down, go to your child and say, I'm sorry. Yes, apologize to your child. Say, I'm sorry for what I did, and leave out the but. It's not, I'm sorry I yelled at you, but you wouldn't listen to me. Affirm to them that you love them and always plan for a solution to prevent it from happening again. You can say, I will take a breath and count to 10 when I start to feel upset. By apologizing, you're teaching your child the importance of taking responsibility for your actions and that it's okay to make mistakes. It also helps build trust and respect in your relationship.